We're out of fuel. Jeff.
Huh?
We're out of fuel.
Actually? Well, what now? Andy?
I don't know. Let me think.
Maybe we can walk to a service centre and get fuel on foot.
We don't have a jerry can.
Well, they might have one there.
All the stores have been raided. There'll be nothing there.
We can't walk home.
Why not?
What?
It'll take a while, a few days maybe, but we'll get there.
We don't have enough food or water.
Well,
how are we going to survive that long?
We'll find some along the way.
Find some? What, yeah, there's just going to be food and water on the side of the road.
Well, do you have a better idea? Okay, Jeff, come, look here. We are somewhere along the highway on this area. And if we keep heading north, we'll be home in no time.
Do you ever see that movie 127 Hours?
The James Franco movie?
Yeah.
Yeah, I've seen it. Why?
Do you think we'll be stuck out here for that long? Or longer? What if we run out of food?
Hey, stop your worrying. We just need to keep heading up the road. Get you back to your family.
Okay.
No more what ifs. Let's just keep moving.
What about your family?
What?
Well, you said you wanted to get me back to my family, but don't you want to see your family too?
Let's just keep moving. We need to find shelter before dark. Come on. Wow. Firefighters must have been here to be able to save this much land.
Do you think the owners are still here?
Not likely. Let's go inside. Split up. Look for food. I'll check the kitchen.
Shouldn't we stay together?
Come on, just go.
Yeah. Look what I found.
Find anything else?
No. Did you?
Nothing.
Andy. Andy.
What?
Do you hear that?
Hear what?
That.
Stay here.
Andy! Who's this?
Kate. My name's Kate.
Oh, you're a firefighter.
I was.
Look, she's hurt. Can you find some bandages?
Yeah, okay. Yeah, this is like fine.
Yeah, this should help.
Thank you.
So what happened to you?
It's a long story.
We've got time.
I was in the back of a truck, heading towards this fire. All of a sudden, the truck shook. We went off the road and the truck tipped on its side. There were 3 of us in the back. We struggled. We managed to make it out all right. A tree fell on the cabin. The others tried to get the drivers out, but they were pinned down. I wanted to help, but my leg was busted. They managed to get him out all right, but they'd lost too much blood. Maybe if I was able to help, I could have stopped the bleeding earlier.
Hey, there's nothing you could have done.
What will you do now?
Heading down south to Tasmania? What about you guys?
We're heading back home to Sydney.
What? You can't go there.
What? Why?
Oh, don't you know?
No, what?
It's gone. Houses, the city, all of it. Burnt up.
But the city's safe from the fires.
I saw it for myself. There's nothing there but ash.
No. What?
I'm sorry.
Maybe we should go south too.
What? It's not true.
You heard what she said.
My fucking parents are at home waiting for me. You're just gonna believe a stranger? We're going home.
For what? What will we do when there's no one there?
They will be there.
If you just listen to me.
No, I'm not listening to you anymore. We wouldn't be in this mess if it wasn't for you.
Me? How is this my fault?
You wanted to leave the car. You wanted to go out on foot. And you wanted to go on this trip in the first place.
Hey, I did that trip for you.
Why would I want to go away? I'm not the one dreaming of being away from my family like you are.
Don't.
No, I think I will. Just because Mummy and Daddy don't love you doesn't mean that you can make me abandon mine.
Shut up!
I'm sorry.
It's okay.
I didn't mean what I said. I was just, you know...
She did. And you're right, I have nothing to go home to. But you do. I'm gonna make sure you get back to your family. Come on.